Well, everyone, I've been personally having some really interesting things going on with my iPhones. On one hand, my iPhone XR hasn't really been doing so well on the latest versions of software. But on my other iPhones, like my iPhone 13 Pro, my iPhone SE first generation, I've been having great experiences on the latest versions of software. So I kind of think it's up in the air, but I'm going to tell you if you currently have any iPhone out there. But I personally do think updating your iPhone, backing up everything from your iPhone, and then factory resetting that iPhone is probably something you should do that can honestly make you kind of feel like you have a brand new iPhone all over again. Now, personally, whenever I have an iPhone like this, I typically go through and just keep it for the rest of the year or 2 years, and then I go ahead and buy another one, and then I never really factory reset the device that I own. But after going through multiple different devices, including my iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, iPhone XR, iPhone 12 I did as well, from those range of devices, simply factory resetting them and updating them has actually been helping out just the whole entire, just the speed, the performance, the battery life of these devices as well. And I'm not talking just a little bit better. It completely feels like a brand new phone. And honestly, I truly do think that if you're in this situation where you have an iPhone and it may be feeling a little sluggish or something, this is probably something you could do. Now, I also do think that as of right now, with iOS 15 kind of coming to an end and with iOS 16 going to be coming out probably in the next few weeks, I will probably recommend everyone watching this video to probably, if your iPhone supports it, and if you're not waiting for a jailbreak or something, I would honestly probably recommend going up to iOS 15.5 as of right now. It seems to me that it's probably going to be one of the more stable versions of software of the most recent parts. And if you're still on iOS 14, I will probably recommend going up to iOS 15 as of right now. But on top of that, another big thing is that with iOS 15, this is going to be one of the more stable versions of software that we're going to be having for the next few months. Once iOS 16 comes out, just like any other version of iOS, everyone gets so excited and they start installing the betas. And if you aren't on iOS 15, going through it and factory resetting your phone to go back on a stable version of software, you're going to have no other choice but to go down to iOS 15. So I will probably recommend you, in my opinion, just to go up to iOS 15.5 right now. First of all, back up your phone and then go ahead and update your iPhone. And if everything works good and everything works fine, I would recommend doing another backup, factory resetting your iPhone, and then, restoring that data as of that point. So that's pretty much what I would recommend doing as of now. If you guys have any other questions or any other thoughts, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.